Good luck, zeagle. Gonna do Rittenhouse, Star Trek, Strange New World Season 1. This is box, ooh, 1,000 to 5,000. Only 5,000 box made? Ooh, that's a little print run for this stuff. Who's the big autograph we're chasing? Angel. These are gold. Memento Mori. Not numbered. That's good. I mean, that's good for the collector. Star Trek Strange New World storyboard artwork. Equality of Mercy. Well, I guess the golds are going to be pretty common here. Lars, Ensign Mount would be the biggest as a captain. Okay. Deleb. Another gold. This guy. Behind the scenes. Another gold. Serene Squall. Spock Amok. Mahanet. More than a comet. Another gold. Christina Chong. Is that that girl here? I'll show you which one. Is that her? Oh, okay. The frontier awaits. It's kind of hot though. Oh, her? She inside? The one in yellow didn't sign? Here's our first autograph. How many autos we get per box? Gold are common. Mabenga! Four autographs per box. Four autographs per box. Yeah. Another gold. Gold. Autograph. There's two. Another gold. 3. Gold. Gold. 4. Oh, there's 4 autographs. Okay. They all look different. I don't know if they all look different. Sketch cards of this, because we got something in here. Bam! Oh, got a sticker. And then we got this metal card. This is Kingdom of Elysian. 23 of 75. I don't even see if there was a promo card in the case. Storyboard artwork, another gold. Oh, I think that metal card might be the only number card we get in the whole box. Ridley. Another gold. What's this? Bam! Ooh! Laan Nonian Singh. Sorry, I'm gonna touch it. Oh, that's pretty dope. RCO6. Card contains an authentic piece of costume material. Laan Nonian Singh. Like them apples. At the right box, bro. And 1 sticker. All right, this is the one I liked out of all of them. So let's see. Oops. Bolian. Zaire. Zaire. Tory Webster, a Zaire Bolian. Yeah, right? Zaire or Bolian. The next one. Mega Sandu. As Angela Martine in Star Trek Strange New Worlds. Graham Parkhurst as Dever in Star Trek Strange New Worlds. And the last autograph is... Bam! Christina Chung autograph! Laan Nunian Singh. How you like them apples? Huh? How you like them apples? That was just a chance box. You want me to go grab your box now? I was just trying to open a box to see what the product looks like, to see if you were interested in opening it. So if I could go grab your box now if you want me to. Oh man. Thank you, Zach. I appreciate you. Rambles unsubscribing. I don't know why he's unsubscribing. You're black. Thanks, Zach. I appreciate it, senor.